People are making thousands each month with AI dropshipping. But is this too good to be true? Today we're testing this with just $1 and free AI tools only. One, two, three. First step. Find the perfect free AI tool. Build Your Store claims to do everything for us.
Name, email, password. Done.
Now choosing our niche. Sports and fitness it is.
Why sports?
HUG Market. Even Gen Z meets at running clubs instead of nightclubs now.
Time to customize. We need banners that appeal to everyone, men and women.
Setting up free Shopify account, basic plan for solo entrepreneurs like us.
We did it!
Solo entrepreneur power.
Now the AI takes control.
Hope this doesn't go full Terminator on us.
Next mission. Find winning products. AutoDS does the heavy lifting for us. Look at these gems. Breathing trainer, golf clips, resistance bands. Perfect. Perfect. Boom.
99 cents for AutoDS? That's our $1 budget officially spent.
Store is live. Time to check if our AI creation looks professional. Woo. Wow. This looks way better than expected. Professional banners, winning products. Quality check time. These products feel premium. Customers will love them. Website refresh. From snooze fest to wow factor. This site pops. Marketing time. Micro-influencers have 60% higher engagement than big ones. Our influencers created this WILD video. Attention-grabbing and perfect for Instagram.
24 hours later, the moment of truth. Did we make any sales?
Amazing! 12 breathing trainers sold. 10 genuine customers bought our products. 170 revenue. After costs and marketing, we made $80.35 profit. Imagine scaling this. 20 products could make thousands monthly in passive income. From $1 investment to 80 profit in just 24 hours. Your dropshipping journey starts now. Want to see us scale this further? Smash that like button and subscribe.